There are three types of references: relative, absolute, and mixed. The formula in this cell references cells C4 and D4. But see, when we drag this formula down, the cell references change. So this formula references row 6, where this row references row 5. That's called having a relative reference. If we wanted to calculate the percent of sales of each item using the 1368 value, we could use the same formula and then drag it down. But you'll notice there's an error, because as we drag down, that reference changes. We can solve this problem by using the absolute reference type, which looks like putting $signs in front of the cell value. Now as we drag our formula down, our cell reference won't change. That's referred to as an absolute reference. Pro tip, you can use the shortcut key F4 to change it from a relative reference to an absolute reference. Finally, there's a mixed reference type, where instead of locking a cell, you can lock a column or a row instead. In this example, we have a discount of the month for different months, January, February, and March. Because the price is always in column D, I'll lock D in this cell reference. And because the discount is always in row 11, I'll lock 11 in this reference. Now as I drag this formula down, the price of each item will change while the discount will remain the same. I want to see the discount for each month, so I'm going to drag the formula over to the right. I can drag to the right for each row individually, or I can highlight the whole column and drag over all at once. You know our formula worked because now all of these cells reference the correct price while also referencing the correct discount. This is what's called a mixed reference.
If you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted, and so I can help you work smarter and not harder.